Oh no, definitely, man. It's it's crazy. You got a really big point there, man. It's looking back, it's just like holy shit, man. And I'm not one to take all the glory. Like if anything, bro, like I'm like super grateful that like I found your page and like I was able to like reach out and we were able to get a hold of each other and um like for the long run, type of shit. Like something that could have been a very small or like a common issue for you to help me fix, like came and like turned around and like became such a crazy outcome. And so to me, like I'm super grateful for that, bro. Like I appreciate you, man. And like to me, it's surreal. It's like it's like the proof is in the pudding kind of shit. Where it's like if you pay attention and you listen to, what someone's telling you to do and you trust. I think trust is like really really important. And like, that this is like this is like proof of like how like things can result in a good way if you know if everything goes well.